I'm in the club with mi gente. Haters couldn't see me with they lentes. Mamacita caliente. Want it right now, I'm not paciente. Meet me out front, out enfrente. On all fours, baby, ponte. I'ma eat it up like a lonche. I'ma eat it up like a lonche. I'm in the club with mi gente. Haters couldn't see me with they lentes. Mamacita caliente. Want it right now, I'm not paciente. Meet me out front, out enfrente. On all fours, baby, ponte. I'ma eat it up like a lonche. I'ma eat it up like a lonche.
Hey yo, my people, what's poppin' though? What's poppin'? Yo, in this video, we're gonna be going over the Fall/Winter 2020. You already know what it is. The North Face Supreme Collab Backpack. Whoop whoop, money grand, wham bam, money grand. You already know.
I'm in the club with mi gente. Haters couldn't see me with they lentes. Mamacita caliente. Want it right now, I'm not paciente. Meet me out front, out enfrente. On all fours, baby, ponte. I'ma eat it up like a lonche. I'ma eat it up like a lonche. I'm in the club with mi gente.
Boom. So first, my people, first and foremost, the most fire thing on the bag, I think it is that this is detachable right here. This front part right here is detachable. Boom, you just clip it. Boom, you hit the clips on all four sides. You feel me? Whoop, whoop. Wow, and you can take it off and you just got this piece like this. Come on, B. Like, that's fire right there, look at that. And that little piece, we're gonna start off with that. They got one pocket right here, two pockets, three pockets. They got three pockets on it. One big one at the top right here, wham bam money grand, you feel me? Damn, this shit kinda big, B. Look, the top, boom boom. Then on the side right here, there's one to the left and the right side. I'm guessing they both the same thing. Well, I think it goes all the way to the other side. Yeah, boom. Two go to the other side. Both sides go to the other side. But they don't touch each other. It's like two different pockets, like two different slides and all that. So, boom. And then on that, it has like YKK zippers. Each of these has like little strings. They got the clips in the back. They got more clips over here. Cause I guess there's something else you could do with it, but I haven't figured it out yet. But I'm gonna figure it out though, you feel me? It looks like a shoulder bag. I don't even know. You could do whatever with this, for real. Wow. Okay. That's fine. You can do that on both sides. You could probably hang it like this by yourself or nothing. It's fire. Boom. Alright, put this down. Then go to the next stuff. Boom, straight into the bag. You know, I got all these clips around it, you know. Y'all probably know more what the clips are for than me, so I'm just showing y'all the bag. You feel me? You smell me or you don't smell me, my people? Boom. So you got the North Face Supreme, mad big right here. The North Face is always bigger than the Supreme. You know how that be. Boom, right here. Supreme right under. Little box logo. The RTG on the bottom. You feel me? Clips here, clips here, clips here, clips at the top. Wham bam. Got a big pocket inside. Yeah, you can fit a laptop in here. Look at that. You got a little mesh pocket at the top. It's not a little mesh pocket, actually. It's a big mesh pocket. You can fit my stuff in there. Under that, let me see. Yeah, that's it. Boom. It's like a big open space, you feel me? You can do whatever with it. You know? Got these little tighten things, you know, whatever y'all want to call them on the back. You can put them to your size or put them to your comfortability. feel me? You got the clips right in the front, so you can clip it around you. Boom, like this. I'm buying, you'll see a better view on there on the zoom in. You feel me? You got the padding in the back, kind of hard padding. And these are kind of hard too, these are the same material. It's brolic though. Like, this is a good pick right here. Yes, sir. That's what it is right here. Bang. Flip this back on. If you want or not. Boom. You see that, my people? I got the black one. They came out in green, I think pink, and blue. You feel me? So you get whichever one you want. But that's the North Face Supreme bag right there. The backpack. You smell me? The backpack. Yeah, not any other bag. Because they had the shoulder bag. I think they had the shoulder bag. And they had something else. But it's none of those. You feel me? So yeah. The backpack, Supreme North Face backpack. In black. Right here. Doesn't matter. I just explain what it was. Doesn't really matter what color it is. You know what I'm saying? I explain how the bag is and what it has inside. Pockets, sizes. So, yeah, my people, you get a better view at it on my zoom in right now. So my people, right now I'm gonna do a zoom in for y'all so y'all can see everything up close and personal. Well, you know what I'm saying, as up close and personal as you can on this virtual video, whatever thing, you feel me? So my people, y'all know what I'm gonna do for y'all. Here goes the zoom in. Why?
Hey. Hey. Damn, shorty. Damn, you seen that, shorty? You got that cake like a pound, you need to turn around. You break my neck every time that you turn around. You give me brain with your head, then you turn around. You ask for bread with your hand, then you turn around. Turn around, damn girl, turn around. Turn around, damn girl, turn around. You got that cake like a pound, you need to turn around. You break my neck every time that you turn around. You give me brain with your head, then you turn around. You ask for bread with your hand, then you turn around. Turn around, damn girl, turn around. Turn around, damn girl, turn around. I seen you passing, seen you strolling, seen you walking around. It go up, then it go down, then it wiggle around. Got me going crazy, damn girl, turn around. Then turn around and turn around and turn around. Ready to risk it all every time you turn around. I got cash, spend it all when you turn around. I walk to Brooklyn for cheesecake when you turn around. Everybody steady peeping when you turn around. Make me want you for the season when you turn around. Got these bitches niggas leaving when you turn around.
Alright, my people, y'all saw that zoom in. Y'all already know what the bag look like, and y'all already know what it is. It's one of the most fire book bags I think that Supreme overall came out with. So check it out if you want to buy it. It was only like $170 something, I believe. It wasn't crazy. I don't know where the price is at, but it's only like $170 something. My people, you already know what it is. Oh yeah, my people, subscribe to my channel, like my videos, like, comment on all my stuff. You already know. Oh, follow me on Instagram right here at Prince Fiorentino. If y'all have any questions, anything you need me to legit check, yo, hit me up right there and I got you, my people. You already know. So let's get it. Alright, my people, let's get it.
I'm in the club with mi gente. Haters couldn't see me with they lentes. Mamacita caliente. Want it right now, I'm not paciente. Meet me out front, out enfrente. On all fours, baby, ponte. I'ma eat it up like a lonche. I'ma eat it up like a lonche. I'm in the club with mi gente. Haters couldn't see me with they lentes. Mamacita caliente. Want it right now, I'm not paciente. Meet me out front, out enfrente. On all fours, baby, ponte. I'ma eat it up like a lonche. I'ma eat it up like a lonche. I'ma eat it up like a lonche. Encanta cuando el cuarto tú te pones. She get wet cada vez que yo la toque. She love it when I hit it y la rompe. Ella quiere de in the morning. Ella quiere de when she horny. No lo hace pa' ti, she do it for me. Disfrutando with me, she say you boring. Ella quiere que le dé, que le dé, que le dé. Ella quiere que le dé, que le dé, que le dé. Ella quiere que le dé, que le dé, que le dé. Como tú lo coges, girl, I'm blown away. Yeah, I like the way you look at me, encanta your waist. Dándote beso while I fill up your waist. La manera que me miras, I just want you to stay. La manera que me miras, I just want you to stay. I'm in the club with mi gente. Haters couldn't see me with they lentes. Mamacita caliente. caliente. Want it right now, I'm not paciente. Meet me out front, out enfrente.